If you're a global citizen like me, you'll agree that world clocks are super important and time zone math suck. Here's what my world clock looks like. It helps me answer what time it is in London and Jakarta, but I often find myself asking questions like, is mom awake? Is my best friend winding down? Am I calling this person at a deeply antisocial hour? When it's 9 a.m. for me, what time will it be for mom in Delhi, brother in Tokyo, and best friend in Mexico? Today, I do all that mental math and calculator math myself, and I hate doing math. I'm sure you do too. And so I built Worlds Apart, a people first and travel friendly app to make time zones feel like time travel and make distance feel human. It's easy to get started. You can add a person, a group of people in the same city or just a city and their contact hours, and see their local time, date, and if it's a good time to reach them in just a glance. Unlike other world clocks, you also see their live weather, so you don't just understand their time, but also step into their day. You can step into the time machine and plan your time without performing time zone algebra in your head. With Time Machine, it's easy to answer. When it's 9:15 for me, is it a good time for all my people? Interactive widgets lets you do all of this right from your home. So forgetting to open an app is never an excuse. Then there's fly mode, because travel turns normal time zone confusion into buff level confusion. Enter a direct flight or layover, save your journey, and understand time across your journey without making your head spin. Fly mode works in flight mode and follows your journey. So when you step into London's time at arrival, you know what time it is at your origin city and your final destination. Jet lag, be gone. Interactive widgets for fly mode make it that much more easier to use. This is how I built with Codex in a significant layer of 5.6. I started off with a detailed prompt that included the UX flows, base logic, and direction. Codex was able to take that and create a wireframey base functional app very, very quickly, post which we set up more detailed core documents for the product specs, the UX flow, and over time also added architecture and status MD, which Codex was like the agent was given an instruction to automatically update after each significant thing that we did. So throughout the project, memory was never and context was never a problem. We also explored UI directions a bit in Codex, post which Codex was my actual doing partner on Figma. I'm a designer with no background in coding whatsoever. So Codex was able to work with my system, which is take my base screens, be able to create fantastic dev handoff variables and like foundations with component sets and the whole shebang. It was then able to take my components and update some of the final screens and designs that we had and take everything from Figma and start building using the MCP servers. All of that was executed flawlessly. Another thing that I was able to do with 5.6 specifically was to add in more complicated features like fly mode, interactive widgets on your home screen, and also complete automated QA testing, which it did, given the structure I gave it. It used Figma to record all the design QA. It did all the other automated QA and recorded it into bug logs and fixed it itself, saving me immense number of time. And it was like having a fantastic sidekick building this app with me. And that's how Worlds Apart was built in less than 2 weeks. It'll be live on the App Store in a few hours. So download it, play with it, send me feedback. Go time traveler.